Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, from the title you know we are going to be doing some unboxing. Yes, but before that, I posted my last vlog last 2 weeks, and since then I've not been posting. Yes, the family has been going through some tough time. Yes, the last vlog I posted when I was making that meal. Yes, moi moi. I was making moi moi, and my body was giving me some side I didn't understand. I started feeling dizzy, and I had to leave the cooking. And thank God my husband was at home, and he has to complete that video for me. Yes, if you were somebody that pay attention, you'd have noticed that the hand that was doing the rest of the work was different. But I thank God I'm feeling stronger, apart from my son that is currently not feeling fine. We are all doing great, and I give God all the glory. Yes, this year I promised myself, I pray to God that I want to do a lot of unboxing, important unboxing, and truly God has answered, and I am here with the first official unboxing on this channel. Ta-da! So we are going to, so because I've been busy, my son was not feeling fine, we're in the hospital. I couldn't, this order came the same day we were going to the hospital, so I couldn't, this items came the same day that we were going to the hospital, so I couldn't do the unboxing. So now I've not opened apart from this one, the rest I've not opened it. I've not seen what is inside. So me and you, we are going to be seeing this for the first time together. Let's get into it, guys. Are we going to start with this or this or this? Yes. Let's start with this one that is not heavy. So let's go. Candy, go and check if I'm in frame. Go and check. Yes. Am I showing? Yes. Is this thing showing? Yes. Okay, thank you. You can come back now. Come and stay with me. So this unboxing, we are going to be doing it with all my children involved, because I don't know, I don't want to postpone this again, but they are all around making noise, so you will hear their noise. So let's go on this. I'll be placing what I ordered versus what I got on the listing. Wow. See. Wow. So you'll be hearing my children shouting, wow, wow, wow. Stop making noise. So this is it. This is the, I don't know if it's focusing, since I'm not in front. Yes, so this is the first thing I got. Is rosemary mint scalp and hair strengthening oil. Yes, I got it for my hair. And the second one, my student has opened it before, but me, I've not officially opened it. So this is it. Let's see if we can remove it from here. Ta-da! So it's leave-in conditioner. The one I was using previously, it's the price is too much for me, so I decided to go for this one. So if it's good, if I use it and it's good, I'm going to review it on my channel. So this is what I'm using now. Yes, to this one, the ogbonge of them all. Yeah, I've opened it before, but this is how it looks. The packaging, so delicious. Yes, comes with this, whether it's authentication receipt or something, I don't know. This is how I saw it. And this. Then to the main stuff. See who is having a Hermes. Yeah, this is it. Ta-la. This is how it looks. This is how it is. I'm going to test it later. So that this is it. So yeah, that is it for the shoes. The story behind the shoe. It's only God that know. But we thank God. It's already here. Yes. Let me see if I can get a thumbnail. A thumbnail like this. Please don't come here. So the last but not the least, drum roll. Yes, so if you have been watching my video, I've been talking about watching my weight. So how is it possible for you to watch your weight when you don't have a weighing scale? So I got myself a weighing scale so that I can actually be accountable. Like I should be able to actually track my progress. So this is it. Yeah. It uses battery. Look at the battery here. Came with battery. Look at it. Look at it. This is it. So that is it. Oh, I'm going to try it, and let's see if I can turn it on here. I'm seeing something here. Let's see. Okay, first of all, let me check. No battery yet. So give me my battery. Give me the battery. So let's see. Let's see if I try it here. Bring it for me. Bring it for mommy. So I'll put it this way. Put it this way. Yeah. Look at it. It's on. It's on. So maybe you will see me when I'm using it. Let's check. Let's check our weight. So happy. I'm so excited. So I'm weighing 95.40. My children will not even allow me to weigh in peace. Wait now, let me check it.